The structural feature which correctly identifies a sensory neuron is the presence of गिवन ऑप्शंस में से जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन डी दैट इज अ सेल बॉडी इन द सेंटर ऑफ द न्यूरॉन ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर as you know sensory neurons conduct sensory information nerve impulse from receptors towards the central nervous system. Sensory neurons have one dendrite and one axon means option D is the correct answer. Next question. After fasting for 12 hours, a person's blood glucose level is reported to be abnormally high. In this medical condition, the gland which is associated with the elevated blood glucose level is given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option B that is pancreas means option B pancreas is the correct answer. As you know, the most important hormone that the pancreas produces is insulin. Insulin is released by the beta cells in the islets of Langerhans in response to food. Its role is to lower glucose levels in the bloodstream and promote the storage of glucose. If a person's pancreas does not make normal quantity of insulin, the blood glucose concentration rises. Therefore, the correct answer is option B pancreas means option B is the correct answer. Next question. The given image depicts the fight or flight situation. Fight, flight, person Y. The gland that will be activated in the person Y is given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option C that is adrenal gland. As you know, adrenal medulla secretes a hormone called epinephrine or adrenaline in response to stress. It prepares our body to overcome emergency situations like fight or flight. That's why option C, adrenal gland, is the correct answer. Next question. The blood report of a patient with acromegaly will reveal the high level of given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option D that is somatotrophin means option D is the correct answer. As you know, anterior lobe of pituitary gland produces many hormones. One of its important hormone is somatotrophin growth hormone. It promotes the growth of body. If somatotrophin is excessively produced after growing age, internal organs and body extremities alone grow large. This condition is known as acromegaly. Means option D, somatotrophin, is the correct answer. Next question. The point of exit for the optic nerve and blood vessels from the eye is called blind spot. This is because it is devoid of given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option C that is photosensitive cells means option C is the correct answer. As you know, blind spot is a point at which the optic nerve leaves the eye. It contains no rods or cones, so an image formed at this point is not sent to the brain. That's why option C, photosensitive cells, is the correct answer. Next question. Read the given statement. In a human body, the anterior pituitary gland controls activities of the other hormone secreting glands. Which of the following examples correctly relates to the given statement? Estrogen stimulates the release of eggs from the ovary. Incorrect है. एस्ट्रोजन को एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सिक्रीट नहीं करता, ओवरी सिक्रीट्स एस्ट्रोजन. वेसोप्रेसिन स्टिमुलेट्स द वाटर रीअब्सॉर्प्शन बाय किडनीज भी इनकरेक्ट है. वेसोप्रेसिन को एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सिक्रीट नहीं करता, पोस्टीरियर लूप ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड सिक्रीट्स वेसोप्रेसिन. Somatotropin hormone stimulates adrenal glands to release testosterone. Be incorrect. सोमेटोट्रोपिन प्रमोट्स ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी। तो जो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर क्या है? ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज thyroid stimulating hormone activates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Next question. The option that correctly matches the gland with its location in the human body is given options में से जो correct answer है वो है option B, that is pituitary gland. Brain means option B is the correct answer. Adrenal gland, liver, incorrect. Adrenal glands are situated above kidneys. Pancreas, stomach भी incorrect है. Pancreas is located behind stomach. Thyroid gland, abdomen भी incorrect है. Thyroid gland is present in neck region below larynx. That's why option B, gland, pituitary gland, location brain is the correct answer. Next question. The given diagram represents the cross-sectional view of spinal cord. The labeled part which contains the cell bodies of motor neurons is receptor, sensory neuron, interneuron, motor neuron, effector. मोटर न्यूरॉन की सेल बॉडी हमें कहाँ नजर आ रही है? यहाँ पर। और ये कौन से रीजन में? बी में। दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In the human ear, the eustachian tube does not amplify the sound waves. Means option A is the correct answer. Eustachian tube amplify नहीं करती है साउंड वेव्स को. बाकी सारे जो फंक्शंस नीचे लिखे हुए वो eustachian tube के. That is drain secretions from the middle ear, protect the middle ear from bacteria and viruses, keep air pressure equal on both sides of the eardrum. Means option A is the correct answer. Next question. The table shows two different states of the pupil R and S in a human eye. The state of pupil R shows that a person, as you know, pupil constricts in bright light and pupil dilates in dim light. यहाँ pupil क्या है? Constrict है और यहाँ pupil क्या है? Dilate है. अगर pupil dilate मीन्स डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट को हम देख रहे हैं और हम डार्क रूम में एंटर हैं. बट हमसे क्या पूछा गया है? आर के बारे में. तो आर के लिए जो स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है वो 1 है, दैट इज इट इज फोकसिंग अ क्लोज ऑब्जेक्ट. और फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, दैट इज हैज इंटर्ड इनटू अ ब्राइट रूम, जो करेक्टली ऑप्शन बी रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. स्टेटमेंट 2 और स्टेटमेंट 3 एस के लिए करेक्ट है. Next question. In the given image of a human eye, the labeled part which contains photoreceptors, rods and cones is, as you know, the inner layer is sensory and is called as retina. It contains the photosensitive cells called rods and cones and associated neurons. Inner layer को कौन सा ऑप्शन रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? ऑप्शन ए. That's why option A is the correct answer. Next question. An ENT, ear, nose, throat specialist recommends a cochlear implant hearing device to a patient with hearing problem. The given diagram represents the component of the hearing device that has to be implanted into the ear of the patient. Internal magnet, antenna and receiver / stimulator electrode. The surgeon will implant the electrode of this device at the part labeled as cochlear implant. हमारे लिए क्या है? कीवर्ड. हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है किस लेटर से कोक्लिया को लेबल किया गया. सी से लेबल किया गया है. दैट्स वाई सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर.